My name is Gordon and I'd like to welcome you to this video tour of Required Systems Quality Management System. This is a comprehensive quality management system that gives you all of the policies, procedures and supporting forms to enable you to evidence compliance with the new CQC Outcomes for Care 2010. After you've installed the software on your computer, the first time you run the program you'll be faced with this window here. This allows you to customize the documents for your home. I'm just going to click in the box here and enter the name of the home as Demo. Once I've typed in the name of the home and clicked OK, this will insert the name of the home into the header of each of the documents. This procedure can take some time, so we'll just start it going now. You get the option to confirm the name of the home is correct. If it is, just click Yes. As the update process is running, you'll see a progress bar moving across the screen. This can take a few minutes, so we'll just let this system go on just now. When the process of customizing all the documents is finished, a message will pop up on screen. OK, so that's the process of putting the name of the home into all of the documents, and you'll also notice that the name of the home appears at the top of the screen. This is the main menu for the system here, where we can select the policies, procedures, forms, reference material and useful links. All of the documents are in Microsoft Word format. They can be opened and edited by any word processor which is compatible with Word 97 or later versions. Let's have a look at the policies and procedures. By clicking on this item here, we open up the list of all of the policies down this list here. If I first of all click on the list of contents, it will launch Microsoft Word and open up the document for us to see. Can I just draw to your attention again that the name of the home is appearing at the top of this document as well. This is a complete list of all of the procedures in the system. This could be printed out, it could be kept manually in a filing system, or it could be edited and stored electronically in a computer system. We're going to have a look now at a particular policy. We'll look at the first one here, respecting and involving people. When we do that, we open up on the right hand side of the screen here a list of all of the policies and forms required for this particular policy. The links in blue are policy documents. The links in green are forms, all of which will be launched into Microsoft Word and are fully editable. If we click on the provision of information here, we see the document opening up in Word. We have the legal reference at the start, the outcome statement, the policy statement, the procedure. Every policy and procedure document gives you the outcomes you will need to evidence compliance with the 28 new CQC outcomes. You can add to and amend the list to suit the service you provide. Details of the training that staff will require is listed and should be recorded in the staff training record form. Finally, there's a list of forms that you'll need to complete to evidence compliance and to form your audit trail. Let's have a look now at the forms. The forms are grouped together here, and we have again a contents list. Clicking on the contents list, we have the list of all of the forms that are in the system. There are currently 96 forms in the system. Again, this can be printed out for reference and filed, or it can be stored electronically. Let's look at one of the forms. Let's look at form number 5. This is an admission checklist. It's got the name of the home at the top here and a checklist of all the things that have to happen at an admission. Again, this document can be printed out or it can be edited and stored. Looking at form number 8, an application for employment. This could either be completed electronically, printed out and given to the applicant to complete using a pen. The next item we'll look at in the menu is the reference material. By clicking on the reference material link here, we launch a browser within the system. This gives us access to all of these documents listed here. Finally, the Useful Links item gives us access to a number of websites which may be of use in your care business. Department of Health, Food Standards Agency, and of course the Required Systems' own website. Once again, it's launched in the browser which is built into the Required Systems management system. No need to exit and go to another browser. Just before I finish off this tour, I want to show you a new feature that we've just added to the quality management system. You'll notice on the left hand side in the menu, in this version, there's a new menu item which says Search. This allows you to search the policies, procedures and forms for any word or phrase that appears anywhere in any of these documents. Let's just show you how it works. If I click on Search, it brings up the area where I can type in my search phrase. I'm going to search for care plan. You'll notice that I can choose to search the policies and procedures, or I can search the forms, or I can search both. I'm just going to search the policies and procedures, so I'll clear the tick box beside forms. When I'm ready, I click the search button, and immediately it starts displaying on the right hand side a list of all the documents that contain the words care plan. I'll just stop it at this point, and if I want to then look at the document, these are all live links. I click on the document I want to see, and immediately it launches into Word, and I'm ready to use the document. I think you'll find this a really useful addition to the system. It's a very quick way of finding a document that you know a particular word or phrase is in. So that brings us to the end of this short demonstration of the Required Systems Quality Management System. As you can see, the system is very easy to use. All the documents are in a standard word processing format, which allows you to personalise them for your home's use. As well as that, the name of the home automatically appears at the top of all of the documents. Required Systems have worked in conjunction with the National Care Association to ensure that it meets all the requirements the care sector needs to evidence compliance with the new CQC Outcomes 2010. Thanks for watching this video.